Oh, come on, Baylib. What's the harm in having one drink of fizzy?
Well, I'm not really supposed to have it.
Just a sip won't hurt.
Okay.
That's so loud! Ow, my freaking ears! Oh, God! What did you give him? I just gave him Mountain Dew. Do you feel better for that?
Yeah.
So that's why you're not allowed to have fizzy. Because that happens.
Yeah. It happened once at Pizza Hut and all the customers just looked at me weird.
Okay. We'll definitely keep that in mind. Anyway, hey, what's up, everyone? It's your pal Oliver is awesome, back here again playing some Animal Crossing. Welcome, amiibo. And as you found out, Baylib is with us. And he's just had a fizzy drink, which we are never giving you one again now.
Yeah. I don't think we will. Oh. Yeah, okay. Headphone users, I'm sorry about that. It just happens whenever I have a fizzy drink. I just can't help it. I mean, I try to hold it in, but it just doesn't work out.
Yeah. I do appreciate you coming in so often, but I've just got a ton of work to do. I'm very sorry.
Oh, over time she'll talk to you. It is customer policy to make you feel good.
Yeah. It is customer policy, I guess. Okay. So, Baylib, what'd you get for Christmas?
I got, the We Speak bundle of Animal Crossing Let's Go to the City. I got a lot of Animal Crossing stuff for Christmas. God, I love Animal Crossing.
You're still out of breath from that episode you had?
Yeah, it really takes a lot of breath out of me. Like, it's crazy to think that a normal body, just that can occur when a normal body consumes fizzy.
Well, you are clearly not you clearly do not have a normal body if that's what happens whenever you have a fizzy drink, B. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Let's greet the new neighbour. Right. I think I have an idea of what I want to show. Alright, We're gonna play some Puzzle League. Because I just want to show off more Puzzle League. Like, that's a necessity.
Yeah, and Desert Island Escape too.
Hmm.
I am playing Desert Island Escape on my Wii U right now. Playing Animal Crossing Amiibo Festival.
You are... Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I want to get better at this. I want to get better at this. I want my fruit panel cushion.
So you just won your reward for Puzzle League, which isn't really much of a reward. It's just a pillow with a piece of fruit on it.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. I pressed B when I meant to press Y. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I'll probably do another one later, where it's just me and Toby. Baylib, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm sorry if I made some of your ears bleed when I had Mountain Dew.